Man, I just want a French Bulldog. Where in the world will I ever find a French Bulldog?
Hello, I'm Dog.
Wow, it's a French Bulldog. Can I pet you?
Please no.
Thanks, French Bulldog.
Is this pain? Today I'm going to draw a French Bulldog. First, place a small circle on the canvas for the head, followed by a slightly bigger circle underneath the chest. Place an oval overlapping the bottom corner of the chest, doing the same thing for the other leg. Place a circle for the paw underneath the lower leg on both legs. Start with a semicircle, then complete the circle in the reverse direction. Draw a larger oval to the right and connect the thigh to the top and bottom of the chest. Now, return to the head and chest and add a neckline on the perimeters. Go back to the thigh and place a circle inside the bottom half, and place another circle directly beneath it for the foot. Connect the thigh circle with the foot circle with two lines, with a curved line for the line behind. Add arches coming off the feet circle to create the toes. For the ears, draw two boxy leaves on top of the head. Easiest way to draw the ears is by drawing a rectangle, then an angled line halfway down the rectangle that connects to the head. For the snout, start by drawing a semicircle, then add two arches underneath to complete the shape. Finish off by drawing a small nose and an arch between the two bottom arches to complete the circle. Place two circles above the snout for the eyes. Draw a curvy line that starts a third into the ear, curving with the exterior perimeter and ending flush with the top part of the ear. Add some wrinkle lines on top of the head, around the eyes, the nose, the side of the head and neck, and on the back. Now, lower the sketch layer opacity to 25% if you're following along digitally, or lightly erase the sketch if you're following along with pencil and paper. Using the sketch as reference, draw the line work before coloring. Don't forget to add a semicircle for the tiny tail. Choose a tan for the body of the dog before coloring in the snout, eyes, and alongside the edge of the ears with a dark brown. Draw an arch inside the ears using a pink. Fill in the nose and add pupils to the eyes using a black. Shade the dog using a darker shade of tan. When shading, start with the hind and front legs and work up to shading the wrinkles. I chose to add shade behind the wrinkle lines, keeping a consistent lighting in mind. And that's it, how to draw a French Bulldog. A request sent in months ago. If you have any suggestions on what to draw next, feel free to leave a comment. Until next time on Mint Salad Draws.